Sending your Unbounce leads directly to Insightly CRM can help you action leads faster, manage your pipeline, and close more sales. Setting up the connection between Unbounce and Insightly CRM is a really simple process, and I'll walk you through it in this video. You can see here I've got an Unbounce landing page. I'm going to navigate over to the Unbounce app. This is the URL for that landing page right here. You can see under native integrations, we've got Insightly CRM. I'm going to click on it, and I am going to add my Insightly CRM API key and URL below. You can find that in your Insightly user settings. So I've got my API key. I'm simply going to copy it, go back over, paste it in, and then do the same thing for the URL. So I'm now going to authenticate. Now you have the choice actually to specify how you want these leads to be sent to Insightly CRM. You can actually create them as leads, or you can create them as contacts. I'm going to choose leads. And you also have the choice where a matching lead already exists in Insightly CRM. Do you want an entirely new record, or do you want to update the existing record? I'm going to update the existing record. Then I'm going to continue on. From here, I'm going to map my fields in the landing page. So I'm going to use first name, last name. I'm going to map email, and I'm going to map phone number. That way, all of those things will be translated over to Insightly CRM, and I'll save those changes. Okay, it looks like we're good to go. We can see now that the connection is there. And what I'm going to do is I'll go back over to the landing page. We've filled out the demo request form. From here, let's navigate back to our lead object, and we'll take a look at today's leads. And you'll find that lead that we just created in Unbounce right here at the very top. So let's click into it and just take a look at what we've got. So we've got first name, last name. We have email address and phone number. All of that information came over from Unbounce, and this lead looks like it's ready for someone to pick it up and start working on it right now. If you're already using Insightly CRM to manage your leads, that's fantastic. If not, sign up for a trial or request a demo and experience firsthand how Insightly CRM helps you turn leads into customers faster.